Good morning, YouTube. Today is a great day. I can officially say the Viper has been saved. She made it. It kind of came down to the wire. Still a couple things to tweak and work on the car. Nothing major, but I was able to drive her here, so that is a huge, huge win. And it's taken me about a month, I think, to finally get this car sorted enough and safe enough to bring down the road to this show. This is the Alex Viola show. It's held here in Keller every year. This is a memorial show to Frank Viola's son, Alex, who was killed in action. Such a great show. The quality of cars that shows up is amazing. So I'm going to show you some of them now. Some of you might recognize this truck. This was the Good Guys giveaway truck built by, I think, the Roadster shop, and it's just oozing 90s. seen before.
Original miles. This is basically a Canadian Chevelle.
Probably not going to see one of those anytime soon. Such a neat car. So this is a huge win for me personally, being able to get this car done in, you know, what, 3-4 weeks now that I've been just non-stop all over this thing. Couple minor things to do. Unfortunately, I will part with this car. I've got some new stuff planned for the first of the year. Can't keep them all, so I'm gonna keep plugging away on the DeLorean. Obviously the Ferrari's not going anywhere. You could own the Bug. I've got that one that's gonna be for sale as well. In the meantime, you know, I'm gonna cruise this one around town for a while. I've done the mechanical stuff and the major stuff that not many people want to tackle. So now this car is what I consider to be pretty much sorted, and I will find out in the next few weeks as I kind of put some miles on her and continue to shake her down. Overall, this is a neat car. I'm glad I had the opportunity to own this and check it off the bucket list. So thanks so much for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.